Circumference of circle. In these questions, we need to find the circumference of the circles. Circumference means just the distance all the way around the circle. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You won't be given this formula in an exam, so you need to memorize it. If we look carefully, we can see that there are two invisible signs, one over here and one over here. So it's really 2 times pi times r. Now, pi is just a number and it's equal to 3.14. R means radius. This is the radius of the circle. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. So in this question, we are given the radius of 4 centimeters. To find the circumference of the circle, we need to start by writing down our formula. 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which is 4. Type this in your calculator and you will get an answer of 25.12. And the units are centimeters because the circumference is just the distance around the circle. For this question, we are given the diameter, so we know that the radius is equal to half of the diameter. So in this case, it is 8 centimeters. So the circumference of the circle in this case is 2 times pi, which is 3.14 times 8, which gives out 50.24 centimeters. Here are some practice exercises for you. Pause the video, work on the solution, and then, when you are ready with the answers, play back the video again. Here are the answers. In the first case, the radius is 5 centimeters, so the circumference is 2 times 3.14, which is pi times 5, which is 31.4 centimeters. In the second case, the diameter is 22. Hence, the radius is half of the diameter, which is 11 centimeters. So the circumference is 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times 11. So we get an answer of 69.08 centimeters.